So you want to buy a house, but that house has to be in Charlotte, conveniently located, have low maintenance, and affordable. Come with me and let's check out these townhouses. Hello family, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to a community that I told you about a couple months ago. And when I told you about them, they were just opening up. And when I first mentioned it, you could get homes in this community for the mid 200s. Now prices are still affordable, but if you would have listened to me then, you would have saved a lot more money. So please listen to me now and take advantage of these prices, because currently prices are in the low 300s, but they're going up higher and higher about every 15 days or so. I'm talking about a community by Pulte Homes called Pringle Towns. It's near Berwick, the Outlets, Topgolf, and Highway 485. It's going to be very hard to find a place right now that is this conveniently located that have these amazing prices. We are going to take a look at two townhome models, the Sharon and the Griffin. Let's go take a look at them. All right, let's go inside and take a look at this first model. This model is the Sharon floor plan. It is the larger model of the two, and pricing at the time of filming this was $340,000. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome that is just under 1,900 square feet. It also has a 2-car garage. You come in, you have this open living room, dining area, as well as your kitchen. Let me know your thoughts regarding this floor plan and this model, how you like it, what you like about it, what you dislike about it. I would love to know what your feedback is. All right, now we are about to go into the Griffin floor plan. Now the Griffin floor plan is the smaller floor plan of the two. It is still a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it's just under 1,500 square feet. It's about 1,450 square feet. It does have a 1-car garage, and pricing for this floor plan starts off in the low threes, 309, 310. Again, you have the open living space downstairs. Please share with me your thoughts regarding this floor plan as well, and tell me, which one do you prefer? Do you like the Sharon floor plan, or do you like this Griffin floor plan?